that hope of living only because of your parents and your family members. They cannot face family members. ये बात आती है यहाँ पे, ठीक है? And what is the reason behind this? It is parents. Because throughout your life you have compared your kid with another kid of your family. ठीक है? Stop this comparison. Your kid is a gem in himself. Others' kids are gem to them. But don't compare your kid with others' kid. भाई अगर आपको कंपेयर ही करना है तो उनका बच्चा ही गोद ले लेना था. You should have brought your, what you say, you should have given your son to them, brought their son to your family. Can you do this? No, because your son or your daughter is आपके दिल का टुकड़ा है. ठीक है? It is someone who belongs to you. There are a lot of feelings which are filled within me right now. No doubt, you all know many examples. You know about what you say, Rowling, who wrote Harry Potter. You know about Disney. You know about what you say any other film star. Okay? You know about so many people who have succeeded in their life. Even Apple CEO, okay, was failure. Mark Zuckerberg, Facebook का जो inventor था, even he was failure. Okay? So many people failed earlier, but please remember, failure was stepstone to success. That was not the end of their life. That was beginning. Because these people have already faced everything in their life. They have faced failure what others did not. Since they faced this failure, they have grown stronger. Stronger enough than other people who actually have continuously seen only success. But these people who have continuously seen success, when they see failure, such may believe me, they get devastated, they destroy their life. But you people who have failed right now, this is not end of the life. Please know this. This is not end of the life. I'll give you some examples. No doubt there are famous people like Virat Kohli who actually did not complete his 12th, like 11th was last class what he completed. Amir Khan completed only 12th class. We talk about Sachin Tendulkar, who was a famous cricketer in India. He did not complete his 10th standard. Likewise, we have list of examples of people who failed in education but they were successful in their life. But everyone cannot become Sachin Tendulkar, Virat Kohli, Amir Khan or any other person. Okay? Let us give some practical examples what I have seen in my own life. I'll talk about two students who failed in PUC. When they failed in PUC, that was like a devastating part in their life. Every person they met used to taunt them. Tana dena. Cursing type of people. Compare करके they used to treat them ill. Completely सब कुछ खत्म हो गया था. They couldn't face their friends, neither family nor their parents. Even their parents were like, he cannot do anything in his life. Trust me, this was the situation. Completely अंदर से टूट जाता person. अंदर से खत्म हो जाता. But anyhow, we were in contact with those people. So they contacted us. Then, Alhamdulillah, by grace of Almighty, after 1 year, those people wrote their PUC exam in March. It was 2 years back. They wrote their examination in March examination. Then, in the same year in May, both of them completed their NEET examination with high marks. And right now, both of them are studying MBBS. This is the live example what we have seen with our own eye. This is not end. It is not just with respect to science, even in commerce field. I am talking about science stream because I have seen it with my own eye. There are people who fail in commerce too. But please remember, this is not end of the life. You have tasted failure. Now you have to keep yourself uplifted and make sure that you face this examination and prove yourself better. I personally know one person who had failed in 10th standard. He did not have face to show people. अपने आप को he couldn't face. When he was not able to face, he was like completely broken from inside and couldn't grow at all. कुछ भी करने का मन नहीं था उसका. The only thing that he had is, I have to clear this examination anyhow, only to make my parents feel proud. No other goal. Now, later on that person cleared his SSLC examination in first attempt itself in supplementary. Then he entered in PUC. Did not have idea how to study, how to grow. कोई support भी करने के लिए नहीं था. No doubt in 10th standard there were people who supported him for his supplementary coaching. There were some people who actually supported him for further growth. Later on, even in PUC, he was struggling. Somehow he cleared his PUC. He had failed in science. He cleared he took up science itself as an aim, and then in the same stream. See, majority of the students fail in examination because they don't have aim. I'll come back to that part. I'll talk about this person. PUC maybe struggle kiya. Joined degree first year again struggled. But somehow he started analyzing himself. कहाँ पे mistake हो रहे? Because he knows that he actually gives his 100%. अपनी तरफ से पूरी कोशिश कर रहे हैं. 100% दे रहे हैं. फिर भी why is that success is not flowing with him? There are many such students who are to be taken care of. उनको राह दिखाना है. We have to show them way. रास्ता दिखाने वाले नहीं हैं. बड़े बड़े बातें करने वाले जरूर मिल जाएंगे आपको. People who talk big things, people who talk about fame, names, and talk about big brands. People who fail, no one talks about them. Neither anyone supports them. So somehow this particular person cleared his degree exam with first class. Then later on, he was university rank student. No one would have believed that a 10th standard failure person becomes university rank student. Then, not just that, he was the most successful person in his career. Right now, he is regarded as top person of his stream. No one actually is in comparison. These are the facts, what people need to know. There are people who fail, but there should be a person who will take them together and uplift and motivate them. Show them the way to lead the life. Show them the way that it is not just people who pass in this examination who actually are successful. There are people who fail and then face this examination and get through. And further, they have to know how to grow. The reason why, the major reason why what I feel people or students fail is, one is there is a big question mark in their mind. Why am I studying this? Even I had this question many a times. Okay? I used to ask my teachers, why is that we are studying this topic? Where will this topic be beneficent in my life? This is a question what I used to ask my teachers. Many times few teachers used to get annoyed. Many teachers used to answer me. Okay, this is the place where you see application of this. That creates interest. That creates zeal in the student, that this is the place where I'll get benefited by this particular topic. First and foremost thing is a question mark in the life. See, people talk about students having a dream, getting successful in that particular aspect. They support them. No doubt, you have to support people who do not have, who have dream, making sure that you show them path. But how about majority of the students? If I talk about India, India is a country where majority of the students do not know what exactly is their aim. We have done census. I have personally worked on many projects where we used to visit schools, colleges, and ask students what is their aim. And trust me, out of 100%, I can say more than 90 students did not have an aim, even in engineering colleges. Although they are doing engineering at that time, in some specific stream, say they are in civil engineering. When I ask them, why are you doing civil engineering? They say it is because of our parents. They forced us, or some relative told that they have to take up this and so. That is why we are doing. This shouldn't happen. From right beginning age, we need to inculcate aim in a kid. We should analyze that kid and then make sure that we motivate them to move towards such kind of aspect. Firstly, develop an aim. Many a times, students have an aim, but they do not know how to go ahead with this. I'll give you one famous example. During my childhood, many a times I used to hear kids telling that I want to become a pilot. Presently, hardly in say 10,000 students, one student will tell that I want to become a pilot. But earlier, when we were kids at that time, we used to hear this a lot. But you know what? Many people do not know that how exactly they can become a pilot. What are the courses that they have to do? What is the methodology that they have to go for? No one knows about it. There are many such fields. I'm just talking about one. There are many such fields where there lies success, but people do not know how to go ahead with this. So first is developing an aim. Secondly, start working on focusing the things that will help that kid to grow towards that aim. Then thirdly, even after they are actually into that stream, we need to motivate them and keep pushing them towards that particular aim. That this is your aim, that you have to make sure that you will become the best person in this aim. Trust me, if you are determined, wherever you go, success will actually kiss your foot. Success will kiss your foot. If you are determined, determination is not there, then comes problems. First and foremost thing is we need to develop an aim, try to show the path, and push them towards that path. Since this was not been done, the majority of the students failed in examination. This is not end. This is just a beginning. You people have tasted that bitterness of failure. But now is the time to prove yourself. You got marks lesser. That is why you have failed. Now you have to prove yourself. You can get out. Trust me, every one of you have that capability, you have capacity that you can become a gem. I'll help you out. Personally speaking, I'll help you out in every such aspect. Okay? Every commerce student, every science student who has failed in it. I'm not sure about arts, that is why I'm not speaking about it. Okay? I'm quite confident about science and commerce. timetable, abide on that timetable. Do not procrastinate. It is a task that you have to complete. Without completing that task, you are not going to get up from that particular place. Okay? This is an aim that you need to develop within yourself, that this examination you gonna score minimum 60 out of 70 or minimum 90 out of 100. If you aim high, at least you will go closer towards that aim. So accordingly you have to work. Make sure that you spend maximum time with the books. Spend more time in the morning and evenings, and midday you can have a nap. Do things scientifically. Do not stress yourself. But giving hard work is also important. एक और बड़ा problem, one big problem what we see is, it's parents who are responsible for failure of kids. It's not the student. No doubt he is the one who faced examination, but you are the one who actually made this happen. See, earlier you gave lowest importance to your kids' studies. Every other thing was quite important. You did not create an environment where your kid could actually succeed. You make sure that you provide one special space for your kid to study. That environment at home should be created. And stop calling him for silly things. कोथिमीर ला के देना है, से मिंट ली पुदीना ला के देना है, और किचन में सालन बनाने के लिए थोड़ा आके हिला लेकर खड़ो सालन को. All these kind of silly things are to be avoided. No doubt it's disturbing for the kid. They will sit with a plan. This is the right time to sit with a plan. But ruining that plan के लिए responsible कौन है? They are parents. They tell, क्या पढ़ास तू छोड़, आपको पहले ये काम कर को दे, बहुत पढ़दा लियासी ने. These kind of dialogues usually are quite famous. Please stop avoiding this. Avoid this. ये छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं which will matter a lot. There are things to be considered with serious note. When it comes to education, create one environment at your home for all kids. This is the right time to study. This is the time that you are framed for studying. This is the room being dedicated for studies only. No doubt everyone cannot afford for it. I do understand that. But at least one corner of your home can be dedicated for studies. At specific time, complete family members should be involved in that particular aspect, which is related to studies. Delaying things, procrastinating studies, and making sure that are not happening, or disturbing them even with serving food or snacks while they are studying is very wrong. Please don't do this. ऐसा नहीं करना है. जब पढ़ रहे, let him study. Decide one time. खाने का एक टाइम रहता है. That time kid will plan it properly, and at that time they'll come exactly. Because others are coming late, you do not ruin his plan. दूसरे घर के जो है बड़े जो है लेट आ रहे हैं, तो उसकी वजह से बच्चे की स्टडीज को क्यों इफेक्ट होना? जो प्लान है उनका, उसके हिसाब से यू प्रोवाइड लंच, डिनर और ब्रेकफास्ट, वॉट एवर इट इज, स्नैक्स वगैरह सब उनके प्लान के हिसाब से. प्लीज मेक श्योर दैट यू एक्चुअली हैव अ पर्टिकुलर टाइम टेबल, और उसके हिसाब से आप बच्चे को प्रॉपरली ट्रीट कर रहे हैं. दिस विल हेल्प दैट किड टू ग्रो. उनके कॉन्सेंट्रेशन बढ़ने के लिए आप प्लीज प्रे फॉर देम. They are your kids, obviously you will pray for them. उनके लिए और दुआएं करो. They have no doubt failed in examination. दुआ करो कि he becomes the most successful person, he or she becomes most successful person of this world. हमारे लिए और अच्छा एग्जाम्पल नहीं होना. अनपढ़ आदमी हमें रूल कर रहा है right now. Who is our prime minister? He is not at all educated. Fake degree सर्व कर दिए, ठीक है? But still we all know. He himself have told in the videos that I have never gone to school. जब such kind of people can rule, आपकी दुआओं से आपके बच्चे क्या सक्सेसफुल नहीं हो सकते? पक्का होते. दुआ के साथ साथ सपोर्ट भी करो. प्रैक्टिकली आपके हर एक्शन को इंप्लीमेंट करो कि आपका बच्चा पढ़ रहा है. स्टॉप कंपैरिजन. स्टॉप व्हाट यू से taunting your kids because they failed. Stop anything that hurts your kid right now. Bring him in what you say goodwill. गुडविल में लाओ, मोटिवेट करो, बताओ उसे कि वो एक सरमाया है. He is actually one gem for complete society. He can do a lot to the people. Recently I had read an article in North India. I forgot the place. In North India, a student who had secured 67% marks in his examination becomes an IAS officer. It is there. You please type this in Google. You will get this information. Newspaper में आया था ये आर्टिकल. 67% का बंदा. देखिए यूजुअली क्या सोचते हैं लोग, the person who secures more than 90% is only capable of getting IAS or IPS rank. ऐसा नहीं है. आप एनवायरमेंट बिल्ड करो, मोटिवेशन डालो बच्चे के अंदर, कूट कूट के मोटिवेशन भरो उसके अंदर. देखिए he is a gem for society. He'll prove पक्का. आप में कॉन्फिडेंस दिखाओ. He is a gem. Trust me. Every person, especially a person who has failed in this exam, he is the one who is gonna become a big ruler. He is the one who will actually become a successful person. He is the one who is gonna become the best person in his field. Trust me, because they have failed. They know, they have tasted this failure. Never after this.